Today's question is, if A equal to 2 by 2 matrix, which is cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, then matrix A raised to power minus 50 when theta equal to pi by 12 is, you have to find out the value of A raised to power minus 50. So first what we do, A raised to power minus 50 is nothing but what they given an inverse matrix. So first we need to find inverse of the given matrix. What is the formula for the inverse of matrix? 1 over determinant of A times adjoint of A, isn't it? What is the given matrix? Cos theta minus sin theta, then cos theta. So find first determinant of A. So what is determinant of A? AD, that is cos theta times cos theta cos square theta, AD minus BC. So sin theta times minus sin theta, which gives plus sin square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta, the value is 1. So determinant of A, the value is 1. We need to find adjoint of A, which is cos theta, and put negative signs for B and C. So if you put negative sign here, you are going to get plus sin theta, and here we are going to get minus sin theta. So this is the adjoint of A. So A inverse is 1 by 1 times cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. This is the A inverse. This is the given matrix. Suppose if you want to write the A raised to power of n, how can you write this? We can write this as cos n theta minus sin n theta cos n theta, isn't it? This is the way to write A raised to power of n. But the same like that, this A raised to power of n, you can write for the inverse, A raised to power of minus n. So how can you write this? So A raised to power of minus n, that means cos n theta sin n theta minus sin n theta cos n theta. So this is for the A raised to power minus n. But in our given question we have A raised to power minus 50. That means you have to take n as 50, and also the given theta value is theta equal to pi by 12. So theta, you can take this as a pi by 12. A raised to power minus 50, that is equal to cos of 50. What is theta? Pi by 12. So 50 times pi by 12. If we cancel with 2, so we are going to get 25 pi by 6. Then sin 25 pi over 6 minus sin 25 pi over 6 cos 25 pi over 6. So we just only find this cos 25 pi over 6, sin 25 pi over 6 values, then you can easily choose your answer. What is cos 25 pi over 6? 25 pi over 6 is nothing but 25 times 30. So is nothing but 750. 750 means we can write this as 720 plus 30. That means 720 means we have to take 2 full rotation plus 30. That means it is in the first quadrant. It won't change any sign. Just simply we can write this as cos 25 pi over 6 is nothing but cos pi over 6. That means cos 30. Cos 30, the value is root 3 by 2. Similarly, let's find out for the sin 25 pi over 6. Same like that. It takes 2 full circles plus 30. So it is nothing but sin pi over 6. So the value is 1 over 2. Sin 30, the value is 1 over 2. So what is cos 25 pi over 6? The value is root 3 by 2. What is sin 25 pi over 6? The value is 1 over 2. Here we have a minus sin 25 pi over 6. The value is 1 over 2. And cos 25 pi over 6. The value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 over 2, 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2, root 3 over 2. That means option C is the correct answer. That's it. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.